We are not making any holes at the bottom of the bottle, only at the circumference there will be the holes, and top also some holes will be there. Now this is the bottle with markings. Like this we have to make holes on entire bottle. This is the second method. In this second method we can will heat this screwdriver and we'll make the holes. For this it should be done under parents guidance or elders guidance. Like this we have to make hole on entire bottle where the black marks are there. So like this prepare the bottle and keep it for our workshop ready. Thank you friends. Thank you children. Hi friends. This is one bottle. Now this bottle is ready with us, and this is the 200 liters bottle, small bottle. So what we are doing here now, we are cutting this bottle into half. Now this is the here we remove the rim of this big bottle, 1 liter bottle, and this one 200 liters bottle we are keeping on the top of this one. So this acts as a funnel and we can water the plant easily. So that is the use of these two bottles. This is the sieve we are using for sieving the soil and sieving the this cow dung powder. So first we have to put it in this and you will get a fine powder of cow dung. You will get a fine powder. It is completely dried one. So if you are having the fine powder, no, because I'll tell you why we are doing this method. Holes are very small here. You can see the holes are very small here. If anything comes here, we can't insert the our plant into this one. It blocks the hole. That's why we are removing all this type of stones and everything, and we are keeping a good manure. We are keeping a good cow dung manure. This cow dung manure is very useful for the plant. It have micronutrients. It have the micronutrient. It acts like a food for the plant. It acts like a food for plant. This is very important when you are growing plants in the bottle or pot or anything. So we have to use cow dung. Now we are using the soil. See, it is having big thick stones of stones. These stones are they can block the our bottle holes. That's why we are sieving this one and we are using for our bottle gardening. Now our soil is ready and coco peat is ready and soil is ready and cow dung is ready and coco peat. This is the coco peat. Coco peat is also ready. 1 part of soil. One cup of soil. See here. This is 1 cup of. This is 1 cup of soil. Only 1 cup of soil. 1 cup of cocoa peat. This is a cocoa peat. This is cocoa peat. 1 cup of cocoa peat. This is 1 cup of cocoa peat and 1 cup of cow dung. 1 cup of cow dung. This is 1 cup of cow dung. 1 cup of soil, 1 cup of cocoa peat, 1 cup of cow dung and mix together. Mix the soil completely till all cocoa peat, cow dung and soil mix together and they form a uniform material. Now this is the one we are putting for the bottle. We are putting in the bottle. Children, friends, I am telling once again, you need not worry if you don't have cocoa peat and this one cow dung. You need not worry. Just use the soil and you can make your bottle garden. Then after the lockdown, you can buy all these materials and you can make another piece of organic bottle garden, kitchen garden. One caution, friends, when you are touching the soil, you should not have any nails. You have to remove all your nails. After finishing off your work, you have to clean your hands with toothbrush or any brush. So that is very important. As you are going on filling the bottle, just tap the bottle. So soil fills in the bottle uniformly. There won't be any air gaps. Take a bunch of pudina and separate the branches and put them in the water. Take fresh pudina. So put them in the water like this and cut them into 2 to 3 inches branches. So now we are removing the lower leaves. All these leaves to be removed. Only we are taking the topmost. We can see the topmost leaves are there. They are very energetic leaves. So we are keeping those energetic leaves and we are removing the old leaves here. This is the stem. Only the topmost portion leaves are there. So we will keep it in the water. We have to cut it in angular manner, in a cross. You can see here. See here, like this. Like this we have to cut them and keep it in the water. Like this one, this edge should go inside. Where there is a cut, slanting cut is there, that should go inside the bottle. This is the hole. So just put it and keep it like that. Like this, you have to fill all the holes. Then after that wait for 10 minutes, then water it again. Then when we are waiting for 10 minutes, slowly whatever the water is there, it will go down slowly and the soil will be wet. So then again we are putting, after 10 minutes, then again we are putting the water, we are watering the bottle like this. We are watering the bottle like this. Now see here friends, you have to fill them all the holes with the pudina branches.